Sometimes you can have a business idea, but you will not have any capital to get started with it. And this has been happening it happened to me severally. When I started my first business, it collapsed. I started the second one, I no see top. Then the third one, I was not having any capital. So I just started doing things that will earn me like some monies on daily basis. I did a lot of things, and in this video I'm going to share the simple strategies that I believe can help you if you're in this situation where you need capital and you have a business idea and you need capital. These are the 3 things that I believe can be helpful to you. Pay attention to this video, maybe it might be helpful to you. So let's get started. So if you have a business idea and you don't have capital, maybe in the next 5 years, that your idea will just get out of your mind because you don't have capital to get started with it. So the best thing you need to do is the first thing you have to do is to look for a simple business that you can do temporarily. You can do it for some time to get capital to go and start whatever you want to start. So a business like real estate agency is one of the best. Is one of the best, where you earn commission whenever people buy a property or whenever you are able to get clients to rent a particular property. Mostly for me in particular, I try to deal with high-end properties so that my commission can be good. But most people too, they go into the low pricing ones. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is to be earning some money on daily basis so that you can save it to start your business. So apart from real estate agency or being a middleman between property owners and all that, there are other middleman jobs that you can do, and that is becoming a middleman between suppliers and consumers. So let's say someone fixes CCTV camera, and then you are able to get a particular apartment and you link that CCTV camera company to the people to fix the entire apartment. If they are done successfully, you can also negotiate a commission and then you earn something from there. It can also be through maybe supply of security doors, whatever it is, beer, it can be dresses. So all you have to do is to make sure that you get a commission. Even if you go to the market, you say that if you are going to buy maybe a nice slippers, someone will take you to another person or to a wholesale or to wherever they are selling it. Anytime these guys send you there and a deal is closed successfully, they have a commission that they take. Some people can earn like 20 Ghana cedis on that successful sale. So that's what the middleman business is all about. So the real estate agency I talk about, and then the sales and all that, is all fall under what? A middleman. So the second way you can get this is to write letter to foundations. There are some foundations in Ghana that have been helping people to set up their business and all that. A foundation like Magdan Foundation, a foundation like Richard Quay Foundation, these foundations have been helping people to get capital to do their business and all that. So if your business happen to make sense with them, I believe they can give you some capital to get started. So that is the second way. So for me, I fall in the first category where I do commission basis. So if you can't do commission basis, you can write letter to the companies and put your business plan for them to see if it's okay for them. They can help you get this capital. Some of them can give it to you for free without taking anything in return, but most of them, they would like to partner with you. That is, they would like to hold the business and earn some share from whatever project you want to do. If they see that it will be successful, they would like to be part of your company. So guys, the third one is to get a job, and getting a job, that's you get some decent job that will give you some guaranteed income, and then you save part of it or you put some into an investment so that maybe in 2 years or 3 years time you get your capital to go and start your business. So that's the third way you can go about it. Okay, so now there are some businesses that you can actually do totally with zero capital, but one thing you must always keep in mind is that if you are running business with money, still you go through a lot. So imagine now you are running business without any capital. That means you have to work extra more than the usual. If you are starting a business with capital, you are going to get some people to help you do this and all that. But if you don't have any capital, nobody is coming to be in your team where you don't have any money. So You have to put in more work. You have to reply to messages yourself and all that. And I have actually been doing that. So if you are looking for capital to get started with business, I believe these solid points that I've mentioned in this video will be helpful to you. And I want you to know that you are not alone. We are all in this together. And in the next 5 years, I see us in a better position than now. I'm going to see you in another video.